we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo and the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine. Both super automatic, which is great.
Right, bean-to-cup convenience. What jumps out at you initially?
Well, the De'Longhi is significantly lighter, 20.8 pounds versus almost 40 for the KitchenAid. That's a big difference if you plan on moving it around ever. Also, the De'Longhi is a renewed product, which might worry some people.
Good point. And the KitchenAid is brand new. But ouch, the price. It's around $1,000, while the De'Longhi, well, the listing has some pricing inconsistencies, but it looks like it's around half that price, even new from other sellers.
Exactly. Price is a huge factor. The De'Longhi boasts 13 grinder settings, whereas the KitchenAid just mentions automatic smart dosing technology. I wonder if that means fewer customization options for the grind.
Potentially. The KitchenAid does highlight 15 recipe options, though, with personalization and storage. The De'Longhi only lists 6 one-touch recipes, so if you want a lot of variety without fiddling too much, KitchenAid might be better.
True. But the De'Longhi has a traditional milk frother. The KitchenAid's description is a bit vague. It mentions putting a hose in a separate milk container and automatic frothing. So is it as good for microfoam and latte art?
That's a valid question. The KitchenAid does emphasize its metal-clad construction and 2-year warranty, giving it a more premium feel, maybe justifying the price. The De'Longhi, being renewed, doesn't really mention warranty specifics.
And the KitchenAid has a removable bean hopper, which is a plus for easy bean changes. The De'Longhi's description doesn't say explicitly about the hopper.
Okay, so to recap, De'Longhi is lighter, cheaper with a traditional frother. KitchenAid is heavier, pricier, more recipe options, and a longer warranty. It really depends on budget and how much customization you want.
Yeah, and whether you're okay with a renewed product. For someone just starting out with super automatic machines, the De'Longhi seems like a good, less risky option.
But if you're serious about espresso and want all the bells and whistles, the KitchenAid might be worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.